Hi, Yumika. Welcome to our online class. This is the asynchronous class for our nursery level. Today it is October 3, 2024. So how about let's start with our afternoon greeting. Good afternoon, dear Earth. Good afternoon, dear Sun. Good afternoon, dear trees and flowers on the ground. Good afternoon, dear bees and birds on the trees. Good afternoon to you and good afternoon to me. And you know what? Let's jump to our date for today. Let's change the date because today it's a different date. Today it is October 3, 2024. So it is here at the top of our calendar. Today is October 3, 2024. And where can we find our date in our calendar? Let me circle it. This is our date today, October 3, 2024. So that is our date. Now, if you have a calendar in your house, maybe you can also check it out after our class. Now, let's jump to the next part, and that is to do our counting. So I'll be skipping for the rest of our circle time today, and I will proceed in counting our numbers. So we have our numbers from 1 to 10. Let's count. Can you follow, teacher? We have 1. This is 1. 2, number 2, 3. This is number 3. And then we have 4, the number 4. 5, this is 5. And then this one is 5, but another finger shows up in the other hand to make 6. After 6, we have 7. And then after 7, it's the number 8. Number 8. So we have 8 fingers up in the air. And next one after 8, number 9. So teacher has the fingers out, 5 fingers. And in the other hand, we have 4 fingers to make 9. And the last one, we have 10. All fingers are out for the number 10. So let's count again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So those are the numbers that we have 1 to 10. Now, let me erase the writings on our screen here and let's jump to our lesson. We have a number friend for today, and that number friend is the number 5. So how about you show me 5 fingers up in the air? I see 5, 5, 5 fingers, 5 fingers up in the air. So let us count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have 5 fingers. This is 5. And what about for our screen here? There are how many dots inside the 10 frame? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's a 5. What about let's also do the tally marks? So when we do the tally marks, it's the counting sticks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, the 5 will be sliding down like this. That's 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about your dice? How many dots do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's count our blocks. How many do we have? Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That makes 5. When we do our 5, how about you do it in the air with me, pointing finger up, and you have to follow what's on my screen here. When we make a 5, a line down, make a big belly, and go make a hat for your number 5. Again, a line down, make a big belly, and don't forget the hat for your number 5. We also write 5 like this. Again, line down, make a big belly. Don't forget the hat for your number 5. That is 5. Let's spell out for the word 5. We have F, letter I, letter V, and the letter E. Again, this is F. We have I, V, and letter E, the number 5. So again, our number friend today is number 5. Our number friend today is number 5. This is the number 5. Our number friend today. The number friend today is number 5. So remember, we have number 5 and it's ready to dive. That is our number friend today. But let's jump to another part of our class. I am showing you to prepare your whiteboard marker, and your eraser. We are going to practice writing for the number 5. Now, if this video is too fast, you pause the video, play it again once you're done. Are you done grabbing all the things that you need? We are going to get these materials because we need to practice for tracing our number 5 or writing the number 5 on your board. So let's have a look here. Remember, this is our number 5. How do we make our 5? So the clown is going to help us. It says here, straight line down, then around, hat on top, and five's a clown. Let's go back. Straight line down, then around, hat on top, and five's a clown again. Straight line down, then around, hat on top, and five's a clown. That is your number 5. Now, how about we erase the writings on the screen here? And let's go to the next part. If you finish writing for your number 5, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Is it okay we jump to the next part? Because I have here the screen exercise for our number 5. So you better help me. How about I trace for number 5 for you on the screen and color our 5s here on the screen. And you get to see if I already finished coloring for the number 5 as well. So let's see. Let's use our marker on the screen here to trace 5. Remember, how do you make your 5? A line down and you go around. Don't forget the hat. That's number 5. See? This is how you make the number 5. It is ready to dive our number 5. So we have our number 5 here on our screen, tracing for 5. Now, we have to color over all the circles with the number 5. So let's see, maybe you can help me. Let's find all the 5s. I am going to color the 5s that I can see on the screen here, the ones that go inside the circle. I think I'm already done. I'm finished and I found all the 5s on our screen. Do you think I'm done already? Not yet. There are some more 5s that we need to find. So let's continue. Am I done already? Not yet. Let's continue again. How about this one? Am I done making number 5? Oop, I think I still need to dab 2 more. I still need to find 2 more. Did you find the 5s that I need to color? I think it's this one. No, that is number 4. It's a different number. How about I go back and I color this? Is this 5? Yes. How about this one? I think this is 5. No, that is number 2. Let's erase it. How about 4? this one. Is this number 5? Yes, we have our number 5. So all of these that I colored on the screen are the number 5 because our number friend today is 5. Let's erase this one and let's jump to another part of our class, and that is to find the things that show number 5. I'm going to move my picture on the side here so that we can check for the things that show 5. Let me fix for something here, okay? Sorry, let me fix that. I am so sorry for the inconvenience, and I am back to record this video. Now, remember, our number friend is the number 5 and we have number block 5. So what are the letters to spell out 5? We have F, and then we have letter I, V, and the letter E to make the word 5. And the number block 5 has 5 blocks. So let us count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So he has 5 blocks on him. Now, let's go back and look for the things that show 5. So let's mark them. Let's see if it shows 5. How many dots in this domino? One, two, three, four. Oh no, this is a different number. This is 4. Let's mark an X. We don't need that. Is this number 5? No, this is number 4. Mark an X. How about we count for this one? Does it show 5 dots in the 10 frame? One, two, three, four, 5. This is 5, so maybe we can circle this picture showing 5. How about this one at the top here, the domino? How many dots do we need for this one? Let us count. One, two, three, four, 5. It is 5. Let's circle also for this one. Does this one show 5? Yes, this is number 5. We have to circle. How many fingers are there? Let's count. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a bigger number. It is 6. Let's mark an X on this picture. How about the tally marks? Let's count. One, two, three, four, and 5. This is number 5. It shows 5. Let's circle this group. How about the fingers? Let us count this one. One, two, three, four, 5. It is 5. So let's circle number 5. How about our domino? Let us count this one. One, two, three, four, 5. So the dots that you see in this domino is 5. Let's circle this one. So we found all the things that show 5. The number 5. Okay, how about I erase the writings on the screen and let's proceed to another part of our class. Let's do your work for the number 5. Please get your book for our number sense and go to page 29. This will be our work for today for number 5. So if teacher is very fast in doing the work on the screen, you can pause the video, play it again once you're done. Okay? So how about let's trace for our 5. A line down and make a belly for your 5. Don't forget the hat number 5. And for the word 5, we have F, I, V, and the letter E. That's how you spell for the word 5. Let's trace for 5. A line down, make a belly, and add a hat. Let's trace again. A line down, add a belly, and a hat. Number 5. Last one. A line down and a belly. Don't forget the hat. That's number 5. So let's continue. Line down, a belly, add a hat. 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 Line down, a belly for 5, add a hat. Line down, a belly, add a hat. Line down, a belly, add a hat. Line down, a belly, and add a hat. So we have our number 5. Okay, done with the work for this page? Not yet done? Pause the video if you're not yet done. Play it again once you're done. If you are done, good job for making your number 5. Let's erase the writings on the screen and let's jump to finding our number 5. So it says here to circle the number 5. Let us find all our number 5s. So let's circle. We have 1, 2, and 3. So if it's easier, maybe we should do it by the column going down. So in this one, do we have 5? Yes. How about in this column, in the third column? Let's find 1, 2, and 3. How about in the fourth column? There's only 1. And in the last one, the fifth one, there's 1 also. So we found all our number 5s. Okay, did you circle all your 5s? If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll be moving on to the next work. And how about I erase this one? Let's see what's our next worksheet, the next page. How about we trace for number 5 and do the word 5? By the way, teacher is not showing the name on top of your work here. I want you to do that one on your own and you need to practice writing your name properly. Remember our rule, all capital letters start from the top and you go down. They use 3 lines. But your lowercase letters, they go under the broken line. Only 2 lines are used. You have to write your name properly with the right spacing of letters, okay? Now let's go back. Let's trace for your number 5 line down, add a belly and a hat. And for the word 5, we have F, I, V, and the letter E, we have the word 5. Now, we have to color 5 butterflies. Prepare your crayon and I want you to color for 5 butterflies. So we have 1, next one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have our 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, let's jump to coloring our 5s. It says in the instruction, color the 5s orange. Our color for this one is color pink or orange? It's going to be orange. Excuse me. Let's color for 5. So I found one. There's one here on the left side for number 5. Let's do it by column so that you won't have a hard time finding it. On this one, there's 2 number 5s. This one is 1 and 2. Okay, another one. Can we find 5 in this column? No, there's no 5. But what about in the last column? Yes, there are two number 5s. So let's color this one and another one. Okay, so how many did we find? This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 butterflies. Number 5. If you're not yet done, pause this video. Play it again once you're done. Are you done already? If it's a yes, please move to the next page. I'll be erasing this one on the screen. Let's jump to another page. This time, I want you to trace for your number 5. So remember how we make our 5? A straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Again, straight line down, then around, add a hat on top, and 5's a clown. So let me fix our work here. It's a vanished ink for our work again. So let's trace straight line down, then around, oops, and hat on top, 5's a clown. So let's do our number 5's. We need to trace all of them. Try to follow the broken line as much as possible. Try to make it neat. We have our number 5 today. The number friend is the number 5. So remember, this is how you make your number 5. Let's do another set, the last one here. So we have our number 5. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Are you done? Can I erase the work? Because we'll need to do the next page. Now, I want you to trace all your number 5's for this work. So remember, line down, around, make a hat. Line down, around, make a hat. I want you to continue tracing for your number 5. Teacher is trying to make the number 5 on the screen. Let's continue making our number 5 here. I'm almost done with my number 5 on the screen. Some more of it. If you are doing this page, you're doing good. Continue making for your number 5. Remember, this is for practice so that you'll know how to make your number 5. Now, if you're done with the work, good job for making 5. But if you're not yet done, Pause the video, play it again once you're done. Are you done with this one? Because if you're done, let's erase and let's jump to another part of our class. Okay, this time it is for the number 5 and the word 5. We get to trace our number 5 and also the word 5. How do we spell it? We have F, I, V, and the letter E. This is the word 5. So again, line down. Make a round belly and a hat. Your number 5. So let's continue doing your number 5. Let's fix something here. This one is wrong. So we have our number 5 for tracing. Let's try to write. So remember, leave spaces in between your words so that you will know what's missing. Or to write it neatly. Let me erase this one. Okay, so this is how you make your number 5. We already have the 5s for tracing and writing. Now, what does the instruction say? Draw 5 ovals. It's easy to make ovals. It's like the longer square. So let's draw 5 of them around and then you go up. That's 1, 2. Pretend these are eggs. So the egg is shaped like an oval, right? 2, 3, 4, and the last one we have 5. So there are 5 ovals on our work here. Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Let me erase this one. And let's do the number 5 again. This time, it is for tracing 5. Lying down. You go around, add a hat. Number 5. How do you spell 5? F, I, sorry, teacher's wrong. I wasn't able to put it in the right place. Line down, sprinkle on top, V in the air, a pole to hold it there, line around and out, letter E. So we have the word 5 and the number 5. Five, 5. And the digit, line down, make a belly, don't forget the hat. Again, let's draw 5 in the 10 frames, line down, a belly, and add a hat. Line down, a belly, and a hat. Line down, a belly, and a hat. Let's continue. Make your number 5. This is just for practice. I know you can do this one. Sorry, let me fix this one. There you go. You have your number 5. How about let's color for your 5 butterflies? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 butterflies that we need to color as well. This is our number 5. If you're done with the work, let's move on to the next page. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, finish your work there, then you get to move to the next page, please. How about let's jump to another work? This time, let's go do your booklet, the number 5 booklet. This time, I want you to trace for your number 5, line down, make a big belly. Don't forget the hat for your number 5. So again, you have your 5, the number 5. And what about the word 5? So we have F, I, V, and the letter E again. We have F, I, V, and the letter E. Let's go back. F, I, V, E. 5. Again, F, I, V, and E. So we have our word 5. Five, the number 5. Let me erase this one. If you're done with the work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Our next work is to read the sentence and match it to the right picture. So let's read it first and let's make a line for the rest of our sentences. I see 7 grapes. I see 7 grapes. Let's make a line. Where does this one go? Going to the grapes. Next, I see the number 5. I see the number 5. So where is your number 5? Here also. Next, I see 5 fingers. I see 5 fingers. Make a line. So we have all those sentences re- matched and read already. Now let's move on to the next page. If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. I'll erase this one because I'll be jumping to the dabbing work. So we need to make a path for our number 5. Please dab for all the 5s that you see for the girl to end at the mark. So we have this is 5, this is also 5, and another one. Number 5, number 5. Let's dab for all the number 5. 5, 5, number 5. There you go. We're done already for our number 5 maze. If you're not yet done, pause the video. Play it again once you're done. Are you done? Let me erase this one because I'll go jump to our picture sort. We need to look for pictures that show a 5 or 5 items. So, if you are going to cut your pictures, please cut it. And I want you to also prepare the glue for you to paste your pictures. Can I start already? If you're not yet done cutting, pause the video. Play it once you're done. Can I move to doing the work on the screen? Can we do that? Okay. Let's do our number 5 work here. Let's check where are the pictures that show 5. Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. So we will put this one here inside. It shows 5. How about the mittens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We cannot put it inside. That shows 6, not 5. Is this number 5? No, that is 6. Does this show 5? Yes, that's number 5. Okay, another one. How many lights? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 Christmas lights or fairy lights. Let's put it here, number 5. How many candies in the jar? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have our 5 candies. Does this card show 5? Yes. The nails, do they have 5? No, it shows 1, 2, 3. What about the chain links? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chain links and we need to move this one here. That shows the number 5. Okay, done already with this work? Not yet. If you're not yet done, again, pause this video. Play it again once you are done. I'm going to erase this one and I'll jump to the next part, and that is to sort again things that are 5 and the ones that doesn't show 5. Let's check for this one. But first, let me ask you, did you cut your pictures already? If you're not yet done, cut the pictures first. Then you get to paste, okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This shows 5. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. This doesn't show 5. It should be here. Is this the 5 peso coin? Let me zoom in so that you can see it. Does this show 5? The Philippine peso coin, number 5. Yes, that is a 5 peso coin. How many sticks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 sticks. Let's put it here. How many dots in the domino? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, a different number. How many dots in the dice? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, a different number. So here we have the 5 pictures that show 5 and the ones that do not show 5. Now, if you are done with this worksheet, with this booklet, good job for you. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Are you done with the work? Can I move to the next part of our work, Yumika? Because since that was the last page of our work, good job for you. And I'll be showing you your sticker friend. Here is your sticker friend for today. I hope that you enjoy this one because it has Kuromi in it. And I'll jump to our bye-bye. Doing our work for today. What a good job. I will see you again in our next class. Bye-bye, Yumika.